Oh God. Oh God, they know. Oh God, they so know that I've been storing up these seeds since winter, and they're coming for them. They're gonna seize my place. All right. Just be cool, John. Just relax. Just relax. They don't have any proof. They can't. Oh, is that a tit? Oh, that's nice.
Up, down, 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 up, down.
All right, Mama's home. Time for dinner.
Why do you have to throw up in our mouths, Mom?
Hey, at least I showed up, unlike your father.
Why can't we eat like the rest of the animals?
Aw, shut up, you little shits.
No one cares that you're vegan, Jane.
Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Up.
Oh, that son of a bitch Marty told me he'd be back from the store 5 years ago. If he thinks that I'm taking care of these eggs all by myself, he's got another thing coming to him.
Come on, you got this.
Yeah.
You got this. Pedal to the metal.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, probably want to crack in that ass. Oh.
These cheeky little buggers. They think I'm a bird just because I got wings. Ha! Look at them. Look at them filming me like I'm a bird. I'm not. I'm a bee. I'm just a bee. I like honey.
Holy crap. I'm a bird!